So what I'll do is this is a very steep hill, even though it doesn't look like that on the camera. This is very steep. So I'm gonna walk down. Being that it's wet, it would never make up this hill without the top. So that first turn I made, it didn't want to turn because I had it in two-wheel drive. Only one track was spinning. So then I locked it and then it turns better. So yeah, you have to have it in four-wheel drive. So let's take off this for a minute and then go for a boot. Sorry, I gotta hold on to the camera. My mount sucks. So like I said, the top speed of this thing is 35 miles an hour, but we're not going 35 right now. It cuts it down to about 25 miles an hour. So let's try and find some more stuff to get in trouble with. It is in high gear right now, so it's usually okay. I guess you can put it in low, but it's got the gear reduction already built in. So, get back on the road, find a better spot. Got some trails up here. I haven't broke yet. Winter. I go ahead and put the camera up so you can see me coming through the forest here. Hang on. Yeah, we got all this snow. We had nothing 2 days ago. We got all this snow in the last basically 30 hours. About 10 inches, I'd say. You set up here, do a little bomb around on this area. So it's not super fast, but it's more like a tank. It'll get anywhere. It gets a little narrow in here. I'm gonna go ahead first. I don't know if there's any trees down, because if I get going down this hill, I'll never be able to back up it. That looks all right. Let's try it. Here's just a picture of it. Yeah, like I said, it's not like a Can-Am racing machine, but it will go anywhere. Absolutely anywhere, just not very fast, that's all. And it's got heat, so, which I have on right now. When you get a cab kit, they usually come with a heater, and if they don't, they make you pay extra, but you don't realize when you put a cab on it, you need the heater for defrost. Without the heater, the windows will fog up. So if you ever want to buy a complete enclosed cab for your side-by-side, just remember, get the heater if you're in a cold climate. Not because of comfort, but because of anti-fogging. This is pretty tight. But it fits. I know it does. It did last year. There we go. I know videos don't show how steep it is. But there we go. Almost 4 o'clock here, so it gets dark in about a half an hour. I'm hoping I can fit all the way through here. Like I said, I haven't checked this trail since the spring. I gotta redo this corner. stuck on a stump. Don't break it. There we go. Just put it in low now. This is tight, but it does fit. So once I get a base down on this trail, this will go a lot faster. Sorry, I'll operate that. Once we get through this part, it gets better. Oh no. Oh, okay, I thought there's a tree down. I don't go that way. Sorry if I don't hold the camera well. Arm's getting sore. Alright, we're almost in the clear here. Anyways, I can turn left here. And that's more forest trail, or I can turn right, and it's more of a, not a road, but it's not as tight. So we'll get out of here. I did a video today about changing the oil on this thing, but I tried a new, it's not a GoPro, it's a copy GoPro, and I did the whole oil change sequence. The camera wasn't recording. Or it was recording, but it didn't, I don't know, it didn't record. It's one of those ones that doesn't have a display screen, so I gotta figure something out, because the volume on this thing, the microphone's terrible. And I'm not really a loud talker, so anyways, we're gonna come out to where we just did kind of a circle. You'll recognize the bulldozer up here. Back out here. So it's getting dark now, but I can do some more videos of this thing driving around. I got a whole nother whack of trails in the back here. Let's go see the RV. We can check out another day. Oh, I got a tree there in front of me. I had it in low. Let's put it back in. Drive. RV here, like a trailer. People stay in when they come here in the winter to summertime. Rock right there, I don't want to hit that. Just go down here, I got a culvert I put in over a little stream. I'll stop there. Take a look. There's a little stream that goes through here. This was a crossing, but it was like a mud crossing. I put a culvert in there last year. So anyways, there we are. And there's a machine. Like I said, you don't have to fear about going anywhere with these tracks on. But like I said, you're not going to win any races, that's all. All right, till next time.